Hello students, this first video is just going to get us started on this process of creating the new residential default template, and the next lessons we'll get into the meat of it. We're just going to do a real quick creation of a file and save it. So begin by launching Revit, select a new project, and browse then to find your residential default template. Open that template and create a project template, which is what we want to do here instead of creating a new project. So make sure you select this and click OK. When Revit launches, you'll have your work area in front of you, and I just real quickly want to show you a couple of changes that I've made that you may want to do yourself to make Revit just a little bit more convenient to work with. On the top of the ribbon, you can pull down these menus for the quick access toolbar and bring that down to below the ribbon. I like that because it's easier and quicker to get to. The other thing that I've done is I've pulled my project browser away from the property browser. They were both stacked up on the left-hand side for the default layout, and I've split them on opposite sides of the screen, which makes it easier to find things, and in many cases I have to do much less scrolling to get where I need to go. So with those changes made, if you'd like, the next thing we're going to do, and then we'll move on to the real nitty-gritty detail of this, is to save this. So you go to the application icon in the upper left-hand corner, indicate that we want to do a save as, indicate template, and then the default location you need to pay attention to, because after we get all of the work done on this template, we're going to pull it out of here and save it somewhere on the cloud and perhaps on a thumb drive. But I want you to name it with your last name and then residential. Make sure it's got the RTE extension. If not, you're going to have to go back and start over. Click Save. And in my case, I had already created it once, but this will be a first time for you. I'm going to replace it with this one. And now we're ready to stop here, and we'll go to the next video. We'll see you on number 2.